Wait.
I'm Tanner.
I'm Will.
I'm
And
Gus.
This is the Enzyme Catalyst Lab. We are testing to see how a higher concentration of yeast will affect the rate of decomposition of hydrogen peroxide.
So I will be dipping
Filler.
this small paper disc into a 400 milliliter beaker of yeast and water solution, and then blot it on the paper, and then dip it and drop it into the hydrogen peroxide.
Right now, this is our fifth and final trial. We have added 4 packets of yeast to here, and it started initially with 140 milliliters of water and the initial packet of yeast, but since then we've added up to 290 milliliters of water and 4 packets, and so far it's, well, you'll see.
So I will dip the small paper disc into the beaker.
And I will be timing this.
I will blot it on the paper, and I will drop it in.
Careful. Well, it was very quick in the draw, about 0.1 tenth of a second too slow, but it is 0.3 seconds.
Interesting.
And that seems
I
to be-
love biology.
Brat is a great teacher
Yes.
and a great man. Thank you, Christian, for your input. So we are at 290 milliliters, 4 packets of yeast, and following with the previous trials, the rate of decomposition as seen by the change of peroxide, as it's continuously, the level has gotten clear, more and more cloudy compared to the bottom, and the paper blotted was increasing rate, as since our initial one was 2 seconds, then went to, as we add 50 milliliters and a pack of yeast, we went to 1.7 seconds, 0.8 seconds, 0.4 seconds, now we're up to 0.3 seconds.
Down to 0.3.
Yes. This is in line with our hypothesis that a higher concentration of yeast will increase the rate of decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. But the one question that we may have to consider still is if the exact concentration of this, since we have been adding water continuously, we are currently unsure of the exact concentration numbers-wise
Of yeast?
of yeast and water.
Well, we added 5 packets, and each packet had 7 grams, so wouldn't that be 35 grams of yeast?
Right, but we'd have to do the exact calculations. So,
That seemed pretty exact.
Goodbye.
yep.
Right.